the number of students in each Math 106 class. So we have a bunch of numbers, and it's how many students are in the class. But when I go ahead to put them in my table, since I want to do the mean, median, and mode, I'm going to go ahead and do them in order. Ooh. I also need to find the range. I almost forgot that. So to find the range, take the largest minus the smallest. So the range is going to be 47 minus 13. And so the range is 34. All right. For problem number 2, since I have 100 of number 2, the number of students in each Math 106 class, and there's the numbers for each class. I want to go ahead and put those in order so that it's a little bit easier for me to do the mean, median, and mode. And so I'm looking at the numbers. I have 10, looks like it's my smallest. So I can go ahead and mark that one off. 12, mark that one off. And then I see I have a 16 and 2 18s, so I'll put those next. 16, 18, 18, and then 22, 23, 24. So write those. Okay, now that I have all those written down, I do have to sum them. I'll do that. 10 plus 12 plus 16 plus 18 plus 18 plus 22 plus 23 plus 24. And I get 143. And remember, I'm going to need that sum to find the mean in a little bit. I need to square that, so I'll just use my squared button there. And I get 20449. And then when I square the 10, I get 100. Square 12, 144. Square 16 is 256. Square 18, 324. I have that one twice. Square 22, 484. Square 23, 529. And square 24, 576. And then I need to add all those up. So I have that last one on my calculator already, so I'm just going to say plus and maybe go backwards. 529 plus 484 plus 324, 256. 144. Add all those and I get 2737. Okay, and so let's start at the beginning this time. So the mean is just going to be the 143. Oh, I need to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my n is 8. So my mean will be the sum of all the numbers. So that was the 143 divided by 8. And so I have 143 divided by 8 is 17.875. My median is going to be halfway, and since I have 8, it's an even number, so I know I'm going to have to take the average of the two middle ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to be the average of these two. So I can mark off 1, 2, 3 on each end, 1, 2, 3 on each end. That leaves just those two in the middle. The average of 18 and 18 is easy. It's just 18. And then mode I'm looking for a number that happens the most often, and that again is 18. So I see, because my median and my mode match, they're both 18, and my mean is very, very close, 17.8. I expect, if I were to do a histogram of this data, that it would be mound-shaped, because my mean, median, and mode are all very, very close together. Okay, one more measure, range. And there we're taking the largest minus the smallest, and since I've ordered them, I can see clearly 24 minus 10, or 14 for the range. And then the standard deviation, the last one, we're going to use that formula, and we put this 2737 minus, and it's going to be over 8. And my squared sum here is 2049, sorry, 2449. So divided by my n minus 1, and n is 8, so it'll be 8 minus 1. So we'll start off with that little divide, and we have the 20449 divided by 8 equals, and so we get the 2556.125 divided by 8 minus 1, or 7. And then remember, for this calculator, I'll do the 2737 minus, and then the previous answer, which was the 2556, and then equals. And so I get the 180.875 for my numerator, and 7 for my denominator. So it's sitting there on my calculator, so just divide by that 7 equals 25,839, and so on. It's 25 point all that. Then I need to take the square root of it. So we'll do second squared function, second minus, and so I'm doing the square root of the answer, push enter, and there I get 5.0832, and the next digit's a 3, so I'll just leave it as a 2.